Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Twitter Blue or Twitter Premium subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop recurring charges. Step 1. Open the Twitter app on your mobile device or visit twitter.com on your web browser and log in to your account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or More menu to access additional options. Step 3. Select Twitter Blue or Premium from the menu to view your subscription details. Step 4. Look for Manage Subscription or similar option within the Twitter Blue settings. Step 5. You may be directed to your device's App Store or payment settings depending on how you subscribed. Step 6. If subscribed through the App Store, follow the platform-specific cancellation steps for iOS or Android subscriptions. Step 7. If subscribed through Twitter's website, click Cancel Subscription on the subscription management page. Step 8. Twitter will explain what features you'll lose when you cancel. Review this information and confirm cancellation. Step 9. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Check your email for cancellation confirmation and verify that auto-renewal has been disabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.